What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Adastra C6D 6.5 inch directional ceiling speaker. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £25 for it. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. And what I will do is I'll leave a few other links for slightly smaller speakers by the same company as well. So right guys, before we open it up, we'll have a quick look around the box. So here it just says it's a 6.5 inch directional ceiling speaker. It's 8 ohms with a low impedance. It's got 50 watt power RMS. And it's got a 155 degree dispersion angle. It comes with gold plated speaker connections as well. So right, the only other bit of information is here on the back of it here. So here it just gives you the size of the speaker itself. There's some information here, it just tells you that the subwoofer is 165mm, which is 6.5 inches. The tweeter is 20mm, which is 0.75 inches. The frequency response is 60 Hz to 20 kHz. The impedance is 8 ohms. The dispersion angle is 155 degrees. The maximum power is 100 watts. The power RMS is 50 watts. And the actual cutout for the speaker, what you need to make, is 193mm. And the mounting depth, what you need of clearance is 79mm, which is nearly 8 centimeters. So right guys, we're going to open the box up and have a look. So here we've got the template to cut out for the speaker. So you'd cut this size out at the ceiling to fit the speaker. Next we've got some information on the speaker and some more information. And here we've got some fitting instructions. So it's pretty simple to fit. So here's the speaker itself. Some more information on the back of it. It's the same information we've already read. So here, if you can see here, this is where the gold plated connections are. So we've got the positive and the negative, and they are pretty simple to connect up as well. So all you need to do is put the speaker wire through. Once you push it down like this, you want to push the speaker wire through and let go of it, and it will lock into place. So that's the gold plated speaker connections, and then here, if you can see here, there's the other connections, what they were talking about, the dog ear connections. Prefer to use them ones, they're much better. So right, this is what it looks like at the back of it, and this is what it looks like at the front. I'll just take this cover off. So this is the speaker, and we've got the tweeter in the middle of it. So the tweeter itself is adjustable, so you can adjust it up and down, left and right, depending on your preference and what angle you want to hit. So that's everything I can tell you about it, but yeah. So when you fit in this, you've got 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they're on the outer bits. The inner screws are for fitting it to this bracket itself, and when you're fitting it, basically you'll cut that hole out and you'll connect the wires to the terminals, and then you will push this up to the ceiling all the way to the top. I'll just get a screwdriver just to show you how it fits into place. So when you fitted it up to the ceiling and it's flush mounted, just going to line this up. If you can see the clip at the back, once you start tightening that screw up, what that will do, it will turn this to the side here. So once it goes to the side, if you can see that, it comes a bit further and stops it falling through. So once you've done all 4 of them, they'll be like that. But what you'll have to do is you'll have to tighten it up. So once you tighten it up, this will come closer to the plasterboard and it will flush mount the speaker. Just tighten it up, but don't over tighten it because you don't want to damage the plasterboard or the clip itself, because they are made out of plastic. So right, that's how you fit it. So right guys, that's everything I can tell you about it, and I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And what I will do is I'll do a separate video on how to fit one as well. Yeah, so I hope this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.